classic communications, RS-485 or Ethernet. So Ethernet is the new thing to put in inverters. So how are you going to monitor it? Right, there's going to be some kind of monitoring on most of these that allow you to put monitoring systems in there. But then who's going to change the passwords? And how about cybersecurity? And so that's new addition. It's just in effect in California here at the beginning of the year as far as cybersecurity. And so there's a standard for cybersecurity, and the standard for cybersecurity is UL 2900. And so all your equipment, including panel boards, have to have are coming that are smart that allow you to actually turn them on.
A question on this slide.
Yes, go ahead.
It says, the description, it says a power conditioning unit.
Yeah. No more power conditioning units.
All right.
We use that word